It's a beautiful you don't want to hear me sing, trust me. But it is a beautiful morning. Overcast, foggy, 56 degrees, and it is going to be a great day to be working on the house. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do today, but I'm going to do something. I've got to do something because I've got to, it's like that elephant. We got to eat it one bite at a time. And we're just going to take some bites today. I don't know how much we're going to get done, but I'm on my way to get Ray, and we'll go see what happens. This will be better. Multi-purpose. That's what I want. Mr. Toad, you better find someplace to get, buddy. And now what happens when this dries, that tub won't move at all. It's not really necessary on the metal tub, but I like to do it anyway so that you don't get any movement. Alright, now we got the tub set. Got a little bit of a gap here. I have to put some shims on this wall to bring it out, but it's nice and level. Two bys run up in here, and these aren't really structural, but what they're for, we're going to run our soffit, and it's going to attach here and here and here, and then we're going to have some J trim across the wall. But that just keeps it from sagging. It's just to keep the soffit from sagging, and run it, because we're going to run it this way down to there, and then we're going to make a little 45 angle here and then turn it the other direction and run out. Well, if I look tired, it's because I am tired. I'm beat. It was a long day, but we did manage to get the tub set, and I didn't shoot my video because I was just so beat. At least not the video coming home. We got the tub set, and we're going to have to go back and do a little bit of concrete work right where the wall meets the foundation on the outside. We're going to have to fill that in so that the critters and what have you can't get inside. We'll do that at another time. But the tub is set, everything's hooked up. Maybe soon enough we'll get on the other bathroom and get it straightened out. I just don't like the way that bathroom's laid out. But this house has proven to be a little more work than your normal one. Well, you know, I didn't go into it thinking it was going to be easy. It's a lot of work, and it's, for those of you who don't know, I work a full-time job. I work Monday through Friday. I'm up by 6 a.m. and I work till 5, and I'm not home till 5:30. That's my Monday through Friday. I have a second job as, well, it was my job for many years. I had a job. I worked as an architectural engineer doing design work for homes. And, well, I have a sort of, I guess it's another line of income that I do, that I design houses. And I don't do a bunch. I do about one a month. And it still requires a lot of time that I devote to it. Tuesday night, I do my volunteer work. Wednesday night is my shopping night for everything that I need. If I don't get it on the weekends for the houses, I go on the Wednesday night and I buy just whatever. In fact, there's an auction that I go to regularly on Wednesday. That's the reason why I set Wednesday aside, because they're auction. And I pick up a lot of things like lighting fixtures and faucets and just all sorts of building materials when they auction them off. And it allows me to do these houses and save a significant amount of money. If you're doing a house, you might want to check out these and see if there's some of these in your area that has building materials occasionally, and you'd be surprised what you can save money on. Now, it may not always be exactly what you're looking for, but you can save money. Thursday night's family night. Friday night's my bowling night, and that's the only night that I really have for me. Yeah, I bowl on Friday night. I may have mentioned that previously in another video. Then Saturday night is another family night. My wife and I, we visit family and friends on Saturday after I'm done working all day. So, I'll work, 8, 9, 10 hours on Saturday during the day, and then we go visit family and friends Saturday night. Usually don't get home till midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. Then I'm back up again by 6:30, 7 o'clock the next morning. And then I go all day again on Sunday. And here it is, Sunday night. It is 11:15, and I've got to edit videos for YouTube. Now, somewhere in this mix, I've got to work on some software, because I also write software for a company in Kansas. And I need to research for my next project that I'm going to be hopefully buying. I've actually went out and looked at another house. I'll have that video coming up soon, I hope. It's not looking promising, but it may be cheap, so it'll be a lot of work. Probably like the $5,000 house, another full gut remodel. But that's what you get when you buy them for $5,000. I'm just rambling because I'm tired and I got a lot of stuff yet to do. So we're going to go ahead and cut it off and say you guys have a great day, great evening, whatever time of the day it happens to be you're watching this. And don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below. I'm always happy to answer questions. Maybe you want to know how I buy these houses. Maybe one day I'll put together a ebook or something. Maybe you want to know what my, something specific about my background. Whatever. Ask, and chances are I'll answer you and give you the information. So once again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.